How to get a $30 Uber discount code. Looking to save money on your next meal? Finding a working $30 discount for Uber Eats can help you enjoy your favorite dishes without breaking the bank. In this guide, I'll show you how to get $30 Uber Eats discount code that actually works. Let's dive in. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of it. I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. This is the legit website. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals. $20 off, $50 off, 75% off, and many more. You just have to scroll down and check out the offers. Then you can hit towards any of the offer you want to grab. Just click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. You can copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Uber Eats. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Then you can log into your account, make your order, and use this code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. The process is exact same to use any of the offer. Lastly, hit back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out other website, as other website will also provide you amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get $30 Uber Eats discount code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.